Draw a big round sun. Add straight sunny rays. Add more rays in the corners. Give the sun a happy face. Now color it all in. Now the next color. Yay! All done!